Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we absolutely smacked and we hit so many plays yesterday. So we'll do a little recap of that, but tonight is Monday Night Football. We have the Jets and the Dolphins and the Bengals and the Broncos. So we're going to go over some free plays for that game as well. If you guys need to get on any of the plans, make sure to go over here to the Winible and at least get on the free plan here. It's free to do. I send out multiple free plays there. All three of the free plays that I sent out there yesterday, all of them hit. So nice little wins there for us, easy wins. So let's do a little recap, and then we'll hop into the pick of the day. But to celebrate going up over, I think it was 16 to 20 units yesterday. I can't remember exactly. I'll have to go back and look. But we went up a ton of units yesterday to celebrate. Jonathan Taylor absolutely came in clutch for us. And so any of the plans here, VIP Gold level, full NFL college football season pass, and the full week pass, all of those are 80% off right now with the code Taylor. So make sure to go ahead and get that locked in over on the Winible. Let's jump into these. So this was the free play that I gave out yesterday, late night, just on the Winible before the game started there between Green Bay and Dallas. That was a crazy game, overtime. I thought Green Bay was going to run out the clock there at the end, but 1 second left to hit that final field goal to tie it up. But we turned 10 into 27-60 there. Nice win there for us. We hit this one over on BETR. This was given out early in the week, 5 into 850. We hit this one on Sleeper, 5 into 945. Nice little 5-man for passing yards there. If you guys are new to Sleeper, use the code 907fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match just for signing up and using code 907fantasy. So make sure to take advantage of that free money. Once again, on Sleeper, we hit this one 5 into 830. Over on Prizepicks, we hit this one 5 into 8. With Kincaid, he hit one final play in the fourth quarter, I think it was. Touchdown, 28-yard pass to hit that one for us. Then Eddie Pinheiro, he hit his over on the opening drive. They hit a field goal. So nice win there, 5 into 8. Puka Nacua, this is one that was given out earlier in the week, 5 into 850. 5 into 880. Buffalo Bills money line, we hit that one. 5 into 850 there. 5 into 750. We had so many winners. This was one of the free plays from yesterday, 5 into 10. Puka Nacua went crazy for 170 yards in that game. He hit this one early in quarter 2. He might have even hit it in quarter 1. I'm not sure, but 5 into 10 there. We hit this one 5 into 850, 5 into 850, 5 into 850, 5 into 850. We hit this one. This was the other free play that was given out yesterday on YouTube, 10 into 20. Like I said, all VIP plans are 80% off with the code Taylor. So make sure to go ahead and get locked in. Yesterday, that would have paid for VIP. So we had a massive, massive day yesterday. Looking forward to another green day today in Monday Night Football. So let's go over here to Prizepicks. We'll lock in a few of them here. The ones that I'm looking at here is, let's go to passing yards. And we're going to look at Jake Browning. He has been pretty bad, honestly, pretty atrocious since Joe Burrow went down. But going up against the Broncos, he's going to be having to pass all 4 quarters. Broncos should be playing with the lead. They're favored by, I think, 6.5. We can look that up here. Bengals, 7.5. So Denver's favored by 7.5 there. Over under a 44.5. So if we take this one, he's going to have to be passing. So we're going to take him at 169 passing yards, 170 passing yards. He missed that last game against Minnesota. He's going to have to be passing. That's all I'm going to say. He's going to have to come out and be clutch for us. And then we're going to come over here to receiving yards. And one that I like here is Garrett Wilson. He's been pretty consistently getting over 50 yards. So if we come over here, let's go here and take his alt line. of 50 receiving yards. We could even go lower. I think they have we could go 40 passing yards just for an easy win for us. So we'll do that one. And then the last one I'm loving is Achane. Devon Achane over 70 rushing plus receiving yards. So nice, easy win for us there as well. He's hit that in 4 of the last 5 games, averaging 89 rushing yards plus receiving yards. So 20 above what his line is here. So that's going to be the free pick for today. We're going to submit that, get that locked in here, 5 into 8. So, like I said, the free play for today is Jake Browning over 170 passing yards, Garrett Wilson over 40 receiving yards, and then Devon Achane over 70 rushing plus receiving yards. So make sure to go get that locked in. If you guys need any of the plays, you can lock these in on Chalkboard. Use code 907fantasy. They're going to give you a free $20 just on sign up, no deposit necessary. Or on Sleeper, they're going to give you a $100 first deposit match when you use the code 907fantasy. So make sure to go get locked in, grab that free money, and go ahead and get on the Winible. Get subscribed to one of these 3 plans, or just get on the free plan so you can get multiple free plays there. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day for Monday Night Football. And let's go cash some more. So we had an amazing day yesterday. Looks like we printed. Went up over 20 units yesterday. So good luck, and let's go cash again. Good luck, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.